Effortless meal prep for a healthy lifestyle. Are you tired of the endless cycle of deciding what to eat, only to end up with unhealthy choices because you're short on time? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into meal prep hacks that will keep you healthy without the hassle. First up, planning is your best friend. Dedicate a day to map out your meals for the week. This simple step not only saves time, but also reduces the temptation to grab fast food. Invest in quality containers. Not only do they keep your food fresh, but they also make portion control a breeze. Plus, seeing your fridge organized with healthy meals is incredibly satisfying. Keep it simple. You don't need to be a gourmet chef to eat healthily. Focus on whole foods and easy recipes that don't require hours in the kitchen. Think grilled proteins, steamed veggies, and whole grains. Batch cooking is a game changer. Preparing large quantities of staples like rice, proteins, and vegetables allows you to mix and match ingredients, creating different meals throughout the week. Don't forget about snacks. Prepare healthy options like cut-up vegetables, nuts, or fruit in advance. This way, you're less likely to reach for that bag of chips when hunger strikes. Spices are your secret weapon. They can transform simple ingredients into flavorful meals without adding extra calories. Experiment with different combinations to keep your taste buds excited. Freeze for the future. Not every meal needs to be eaten right away. Freeze portions for those days when you just can't deal with cooking. A little effort now saves a lot of time later. Hydration is key. While not directly related to meal prep, staying hydrated impacts your overall health and helps control hunger. Keep a water bottle with you at all times to remind yourself to drink up. Get creative with leftovers. Last night's grilled chicken can become today's salad topping or wrap filling. This approach reduces waste and keeps your meals interesting. Involve your family or housemates. Meal prepping doesn't have to be a solo activity. Turn it into a fun group effort, which not only lightens the workload but also makes healthy eating a shared goal. Lastly, be kind to yourself. Some weeks might not go as planned, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep striving for balance and making healthier choices when you can. Remember, the goal of meal prep is to make your life easier and your body healthier. With these hacks, you're well on your way to achieving just that. Stay committed and happy prepping. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and meal prep insights.